Hello guys, there we have a Electrolux washing machine ESM64840SX, and today I will tell you about the poor drying results problem. So the possible case and solutions. Tableware was left for too long inside the closed appliance. Activate the function HardReset to set the automatic opening of the door and improve the drying performance. There is no rinse aid or the dosage of rinse aid is not sufficient. Fill the rinse aid dispenser or set the dosage of rinse aid to higher level. The quality of the rinse aid can be the case. Plastic items might need to be towel dried. The program does not have the drying phase. Refer to program's overview on our video, and goodbye.